Perched up here on top of our lookout, we can observe the wastelander in their natural habitat. Look at them as they corral around the shade and discuss and laze around. During the day, a wastelander can be lazy, lethargic. They're recovering from a hangover, or maybe just staying up all night, or maybe it's just too hot. During the night is when they come out. They are a nocturnal species. They will feast and they will drink and they will mate and they will do their mating dances for each other. Up here in the trees we are safe from them. We can observe them. Do not let them know that you're here. They can be unpredictable.